Hello all, welcome to the new video of official all-in-one YouTube channel. So today we are covering the topic of foreign universities coming to Hyderabad. Like many of the foreign universities have shown interest in setting up campuses in Hyderabad. So according to a news report, nearly 15 of the foreign universities are planning or preparing to start campuses in Hyderabad. So how this will impact students across Hyderabad or Telangana, and will the fees become lower in the current universities, and will it create any job opportunities, or it's just a hype? So we'll discover this in the current video. So why is Hyderabad getting attention? So according to recent reports, universities from US, UK, Australia and New Zealand have shown interest in establishing campuses in India. So the main reason for Hyderabad getting special attention across all the states or all the cities in our country is because Hyderabad is already an IT hub, and also it has become a pharma industry, presence of global companies and fast growing infrastructure. So we do have offices like Google, Amazon, Microsoft already establishes their campus in Hyderabad. So some reports say the University of London is considering an offshore campus in Hyderabad. So it's a big opportunity for the students. So normally going abroad and pursuing an MS degree is of high cost and visa tensions, hostel expenses. So all that can be reduced when we have an international university in Hyderabad itself. So the universities can focus on areas like artificial intelligence, computer science, STEM courses, future technologies. So why Hyderabad? So we do have many cities in India, but why is Hyderabad considered? As we already know, Hyderabad is a technology hub, and it's also a pharma capital, startup for many of the companies started their organizations in Hyderabad, and it's also a data center hub. So recently, even the Airtel chairman has mentioned that Hyderabad is considered as a second headquarters for them. So some people do raise doubts like how the will the foreign companies really provide the same quality, or the foreign faculty will actually come and teach the students. So experts say the real quality depends on the faculty quality, research facilities and industry connections, and the internships which these campuses will provide to the students. So students should not only feel excited, but they should research on the particular university before joining it. So the future of education is in Hyderabad has become or taken a leap, and Hyderabad is rapidly gaining a special place on the global front. So do let us know your opinion and how it will affect the career, or how it will affect the student's life in Hyderabad. So tell us your opinions in the comment sections, and do like, share, subscribe our channel official all in one. So we are covering almost all the current affairs in the Telangana or in India related to technology, education, entertainment and also the travel. Thank you all for watching.